this video, I show you how to add multiple keywords in Yoast SEO to boost your content's visibility and reach. Using multiple keywords helps your content appear for a wider range of search queries. And Yoast SEO Premium makes this easy. First, make sure Yoast SEO Premium is installed and activated on your WordPress site. The premium version is necessary because it allows you to add multiple key phrases, unlike the free version which only supports one. Next, open the post or page you want to optimize. Scroll to the Yoast SEO meta box, which you will find below the content editor or in the sidebar. Start by entering your primary focus key phrase, the main term that best represents your content. Then click Add Related Key Phrase to enter up to 4 additional key phrases. These related key phrases complement your primary keyword and help capture variations, synonyms, or long tail keywords. Each key phrase receives its own analysis from Yoast, giving you actionable feedback on placement, keyword density, headings, and overall SEO improvements. By optimizing for multiple key phrases, you increase your chances of ranking for different search queries and attracting a broader audience. Follow Yoast's suggestions to refine your content, and your post will be better optimized for search engines. And that's it. Using multiple keywords in Yoast SEO Premium is a simple way to improve your content's discoverability and performance.